Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for Serpent Tech, and in this video, we'll be talking more about how to secure your Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, but focusing on the mobile sector. There's been plenty of videos from various content creators talking about why one application is better than the other, but I'm just going to show you a few options, go over a few of them, and then show you what I'm actually using on a day-to-day. Now, the website we're looking at is actually bitcoin.org, not bitcoin.com. There is a difference between the two. I think bitcoin.com, if you ask anybody, is more of Bitcoin Cash, not Bitcoin itself. But the point being, link in the description, is that you will be able to come here and see just some of the basic options. There are other options out there, but we got mobile options for Android and Apple. Then we got desktop options for, Linux, Mac, Windows, and then even hardware. And you can see that the Bitcoin wallet is available for Android devices, but it isn't available for iOS. So it really comes down to, again, what are your needs? As I mentioned in the previous video, you got to identify that or understand that first before you can move forward. And of course, if we go to the Google Play Store or even the Apple Store, it can be a little bit daunting as to what is the right wallet. And it really comes down to what are the assets you're wanting to store, right? Most of the wallets out there will have, you'll be able to store Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, stuff like that. It's when you get to the other altcoins, Polkadot, Chainlink, and so on and so forth, that the wallet options might be a little bit different. And to, have one to rule them all, I don't think there is quite one just yet, especially if you want a nice, clean GUI instead of a simple one, right? So anyways, inside all of these search results, whether you search Bitcoin or Bitcoin wallet, you're going to bump into a few of these which are centralized exchanges, right? Like Coinbase or crypto.com. Now, they do offer cards, and I know a lot of people that use their mobile wallets want to be able to, sell their crypto very easily, pay for that purse, pay for those Jordans, keep it moving. But again, if these centralized exchanges have issues, your funds will be lost. You don't actually own the funds that are on or deposited into the exchange. Whereas, for example, say BitPay, you have a mobile application, and it's not only mobile, but you can use it on a desktop too. So desktop app, mobile application, and then you also can get a card and connect it to Coinbase if you wanted to sell funds, whatever, convert it to USD, and then pay for those Jordans, pay for the purse, whatever. But you can also have your own wallets in which you own the keys to. And you're looking for a wallet that forces you during setup to create or back up your seed phrase. Remember, that's 12 to 24 words and should have the option to export your private keys. And there are a lot of options out there. If you bump into one, you're not sure if it's an exchange. Like, for example, let's see, I bump into this one. I don't know what this is. Doesn't tell me it's an exchange off rip. Click it. Or go search it on, a desktop or laptop. And if you see kind of the similar setup up here in the top left where it says, buy crypto, market, spot trading, it's more than likely an exchange, right? Same thing with Binance. We bumped into it on the App Store for Apple, and I want to know what it is. It does say exchange right here. That should be a huge clue. But if you go to the website itself, it's kind of the same setup, right? In the upper left-hand corner, it's going to have markets, trade, spot, margin, whatever. Those are exchanges. I don't want you to use those unless you're going to immediately trade those funds. I have an app, or I have a few of them, like Konami. Konami is a plain Jane application. It does have extra features than some other wallets, but it also has bugs, and all of these wallets normally do. But, you can receive your crypto, you can see your balance, you can send your crypto, and you can access various features in it. For example, they have a DEX in here that you can trade on. You can buy crypto through them, through their partners. There's dApps that you can interact with, NFTs, so on and so forth. So Konami is one of the wallets that I personally use, but there's also Trust Wallet, very clean GUI. Exodus, a lot of people like Exodus. Again, these wallets are on desktop and mobile, right? So you can do what you need to on your mobile, get home, and then finalize it on the desktop. There's Atomic Wallet and MetaMask, right? So my wallets personally that I use is MetaMask, Konami, and BitPay. And the only reason I use BitPay is, like, for example, they were integrated with Newegg. So to sell some crypto and buy some GPUs or some tech, I would do that. Now, what's cool about it is this is what BitPay looks like. Don't have a lot of money in it, but you can shop. You can buy crypto. You can swap it. You can see the current prices, but it doesn't have all the various cryptocurrencies. So if you want a Chainlink, Polkadot, or whatever, BitPay may not support it. However, you can connect it to your Coinbase wallet if you wanted to, and use that to kind of fund your buying habits, so to speak. You can send, you can receive, and as far as creating a wallet, the initial setup, very simple, right? It's going to be very simple for most of these, but let's go through the process real quick. On BitPay, you can create a new wallet, a shared wallet, join a shared wallet, or import a wallet. And if we go through new, I'm going to show you just a setup real quick. I can turn on cryptos, I can turn off cryptos that I want to have in my wallet. When I hit create, it's going to tell me about this 12-word seed phrase that I need to back up. And it's very important that you back that up, but maybe not on the same device that you're using, right? You back up, you write it down, you keep it stored. If you're going to write it down, like for example, on a TXT or a Word document, maybe back it up to a USB drive that doesn't stay connected to your computer in case your computer fails or something, you get hacked. Just back it up on a TXT Word document, put it somewhere safe. Don't lose it. Most of us have safes at home or safety deposit box that you can really rely on, or somebody to help you secure that if need be. But here we are. It's telling us to back up our 12-word seed phrase. We got it. And then we're going to be provided 12 words. Now we can add an extra layer of encryption, which will be a password, right, to your phone. Like you saw, or you may have seen where you got biometrics to unlock it, right? You type in a password, but then you enable biometrics, so you can use Face ID or your finger or whatever to unlock your phone. But we can add that extra layer of encryption. In this case, I'm going to hit no just for now. Yes, I'm sure. And then we're going to be presented with 12 words. So we click view my recovery key, and there we go. Now we got our first word. We need to write that down, because at the end of this, we're going to have to put those words into the wallet to fully verify that we understand and we have it backed up and stuff like that. So limb, token, palm, you're writing all of these down. You're getting through the setup, and at the very end, now you got to put it in the order which you receive. It's very easy. You just drag and drop and keep it moving. Now you have a wallet that you own the seed phrase to, and you can always restore that wallet if need be. Wallet recovery, we'll talk about that in a different video, but now you got a mobile wallet that you, if you fund it, will have full control over. If any of the exchanges out there go down, it does not matter. It does not impact you, because most of your funds, or all of your funds, are on this wallet that you control. Now over here on the left-hand side, the smaller window, we have MetaMask. And MetaMask is a browser extension, or you can get the browser, the desktop application, as well as the mobile application. So you can quickly, have funds on your account. You can receive, you could buy, you could send, you could swap. You can interact with various other partners, or I believe DEXs. And if we click the settings up here, what you'll see as well is under settings, security and privacy, there is your security phrase, right? So if you want to back that up, you could change your password. You can auto lock after 30 seconds. You can unlock with biometrics, but your secret phrase is right there. And it's going to be the same thing, 12 words that you need to back up. You can back up the wallet. You can add networks, right? So if we wanted to add Ethereum proof of work, POW, the chain that forked off of Ethereum during the merge, we can actually add that network right here. So there's a lot of options out there. And as far as finalizing what I have on my device, yes, I use MetaMask. Yes, I use BitPay. Yes, I use Konami. Yes, I have exchanges, like Coinbase and whatnot on my phone, but all of my funds are securely held through cold storage. However, if I'm going to go on a trip, I might send some funds to my mobile wallet so that way I can easily interact and then use my card or cards whenever I want to. Centralized exchanges could lose my funds when they go down. Always have my funds. So it just depends on what you're trying to do. I would urge you to always have control of your wallets and your keys, not your coins. And those are some of the wallet options out there. However, I'm interested to hear your thoughts. What are your favorite wallets on the mobile application? What do you like to use? And what wallets out there that you do like allow you to use your desktop and your mobile for one seamless integration? Anyways, Do me a favor on the way out, hit the like button, make sure to get subscribed, hit the notification bell to stay up to date, as well as check out links in the description that, you know, help support, is that a word? Support? That helps support the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.